Senate.
No, there was widespread cheating all over the country. Iba-iba yung style nila. Practically in every province.
There was cheating.
Local cheating, vote buying. I'm not even talking about vote buying. Vote buying has become very normal. It's very disappointing na na-spoil na yung mga kabutante.
So ba't tinanggap nyo na lang at ayaw nyo na mag-protest?
Who?
Kayo, in your case?
Because, number one, it did not happen in one place alone. I'm trying to pinpoint, hindi gaya nung kay Kwan, yung kay
This week.
Coco, pinupus lang doon sa Maguindanao, huling-huli, di ba? Madali lang yon. Pero dito, talagang widespread nila. So, all over the place. Ang hirap,
So, it's so hard to...
Ang hirap i-collect.
Sir, sinong nila?
Ha?
Sinong nila?
So yun, sino sila?
Identify
Yung mga Garci boys.
So nandun pa sila?
Ayan pa yung mga
Si
Garci
Garci?
boys. Oo, hindi tinanggal.
Comelec, sir.
So, ano yun,
Comelec
nag-operate sila
Yes, they're
per...
inside Comelec. Yeah.
So, nag-operate sila
Per
per
candidate
candidate
o per
lang.
area?
I mean, whoever sinong candidate
Correct.
na lumapit sa kanila.
Yeah, yes.
Ganun lang yung operation.
Then, nag-o-offer pa nga sila nagpapagala ng message sa akin, boss, mag-protection ka na. Sabi ko, ayoko.
So may offer. Magkano raw?
Going rate nila.
In the beginning, early on, mga 10 pesos a vote. So, pumili ka na. Let's say, I want 1 million votes at 10 pesos. So, di 10 million pesos. Yung mga iba, maraming pera. Siguro, give me 5 million votes at 10 pesos. So that's 50 million. Ganun.
Safe to say, cheaters are inside the Comelec.
Ha?
Yes.
Safe to say.
Garci boys nga.
Sir, how did the Garci boys do it, sir? Kasi may manipulation ng vote counting machine.
Hindi ko pa alam.
So you're
I
gonna
can
try
just
to
see the
find...
results. If I'm leading you by 2 million votes and then after election day you're leading me by 2 million votes, that's 4 million votes nakuha mo in 3 days or 4 days. Sabi ko, imposible yun. Matagal na ako sa business. I've been in politics a long time. I know that's impossible.
4 times